I heard the frog cry in the early morning, baka baka baka. It's quiet all at once, baka baka baka. That's why it sounds baka baka baka.
Hi guys, this frog is the guest who comes in front of you today. What do you mean? Are you ready to draw him? Well, let's draw him. As usual, we first draw his template. Now let's redraw over the image with a little more clarity and detail. Let's draw his eyes, mouth, hand, belly and legs a little more clearly. If you think this video will be useful for your friends, don't forget to share it with them. If you want to get the other video we are releasing soon, subscribe to us and click on the bell icon next to it. I am going to say a little thing while drawing this frog. This frog is a good meteorologist. If meteorologists say it's raining today, maybe it's not raining at all. But if the frog cries, it will inevitably rain. This frog we draw is such a genius. Now we have finished drawing the outlines. Now let's carefully erase the pencil lines with an eraser. Now we are going to paint this frog. So let's paint the frog's body light. Now let's put a little dark green shading on the side of his body. Let's color the belly yellow. The eyes are black and the same color to inside of the mouth. Applying red to the tongue will make him look beautiful. How? Beautiful, isn't it?
Baka baka baka. Baka 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 baka.
I don't know. The frog is screaming. It's going to rain. I'll be leaving soon. Feel free to comment below about this frog. Bye.